Hello everyone. Today we are making beans with Reiko cubes.
Reiko cubes, eh?
Yeah.
Today we are doing beef flavor. Mufana way with your blow.
Over here.
You need just 2 for half kg of beans. Chukumi.
Cool.
These are Reiko cubes. Are you seeing them proper? There is a cook-off happening. Nyanyizemu not to win, but to tell people to participate. First of all, they're going to shoot a beef. You have to cook using Reiko cubes. That is very important, and you have to show it in your video. You have not seen such a competition. It's an accent, but I forgot what I was about to say. You're getting a complete kitchen makeover. I repeat, full kitchen makeover. Fabataina banange kuka zilienene tugenda kufuna kuka ataina fridge agenda kufuna fridge buli choma yeshigena mu kitchen, yeah? This competition is about that, to give you everything. Reiko cubes singa kolera mbijanjalo kawo
the legends.
Seka tokolesa luzungu lungi. You crumble it. You see that? That is called crumble. We are crumbling. It is going to give you flavor. Ogena kuliye chijanjalo. Upload your video to your Facebook account. Use Facebook for this. Reiko will get a notification that you have tagged them, and then they will follow up on your post. Use these hashtags. The tastiest beans. Another hashtag is crumble. Each week we'll have 5 winners. Winners will have different hampers, different gifts, and then one person, the top person, will qualify for the final cook-off.
What's up?
Katika nkakwek abatulaba bino bambi bijanjalo teri ayinanaka. The cold doesn't bother me anyway.
Tell them salt.
Huh?
Put salt.
Salt muri.
Tell them salt.
Muno muri mu bijanjalo muri mu munyo.
Oh my gosh.
Fayo munyo. Tubere bakakamu.
I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now. 'Cause I wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it if we don't mature. Not angry anymore, just a little.
Beans cooked with what?
Reiko cubes.
How do you like them?
They're so yummy.
Yummy and delicious.
Yeah.
So, please participate, win a full kitchen makeover, and we're done. Hey, Katono.
How can
Bring your fork. I get for you. Wait. I don't trust you with my chicken.
what?
For good if I could look inside your brain.